To this now, the Gauteng Transport Department has promised to deal with non-compliance on the roads with adjusted Level 3 regulations. The department has been conducting roadblock operations around the province. Gauteng is expected to see a surge in new COVID-19 infections as holidaymakers make their way back. The department is urging people to continue following precautionary measures. My colleague Lindokuhle Xulu has been tracking that for us, and he joins us. So you actually went through to one of the operations. What is it that you witnessed there?
Well, Dudu, I must say that this is the second time we joined authorities in some of these operations in inter-provincial borders. And what they are saying, in fact, is that so far so good. They started on Monday to hold some of these operations, and we understand that it's going to go on until the 15th of this month. And what they are basically observing there is, road safety as well as COVID-19 compliance. And they are screening people who are coming from hotspot areas and also testing those that are showing symptoms. So they're saying that so far so good as far as road safety is concerned, as far as compliance is concerned, as many people who are coming into the province are adhering to some of those rules stipulated by the regulations of the COVID-19, as well as some of the road rules. But one of the things that they are saying quite concerningly is the fact that they are seeing more and more foreigners, undocumented foreigners, or those that simply had not passed through the border and do not have a stamp to say that they passed through a certain border. They're seeing a lot of them, and in fact 4 were arrested as we were there earlier today. So they're saying that there's a concern that while people are showing that they are in fact adhering to some of the rules, we are seeing quite a disturbing number of those that are coming in the country illegally, so undocumented or otherwise not having gone through the proper channels to come into the country.
In general, we are satisfied with the compliance levels. The people who are searching the vehicles, search for guns, for stolen vehicles, drugs. We haven't had an incident. Wearing of masks with respect to COVID-19, the pattern is consistent in the sense that people are wearing masks, including those who are transporting freight, the trucks. They are also complying. And I must just emphasize that this today is part of our intensification of our roadblocks. And it is also important to understand that these roadblocks are actually very important because to fight COVID-19, to enforce traffic rules and regulations, road safety, both things depend on human conduct. And where human conduct does not actually come to the level that we expect it to come, there are lapses, law enforcement must come in. So we must not see the roadblocks and other activities separate from each other. They are supporting, strengthening, and complementing each other. So that's why I think the pattern is consistent, there's compliance, there's no incident, and I think we will continue to intensify our activities. We're also pleased with the work that is being done by the health officials, the community health workers. They are screening. They are also conducting the tests, taking the swabs. That is also very important as part of the overall campaign on our provincial boundaries to fight COVID-19, to promote road safety, and to combat also criminal activity.
Lindokuhle Xulu, thank you very much. Let's leave it there.